and welcome back to another video. If you are new here and you don't know me, my name is Denise and I also go by Tan. This is my son, Ezekiah, and we're here in Niagara Falls. And we're about to go to breakfast and we looked outside and it is snowing like crazy. We did not look at the weather. We were not prepared. Well, I for sure was not prepared. I want to show you guys how it's looking. Don't watch all the mess in the background. But look at all this snow. It made a huge snowfall because it was not like this yesterday. And we're about to brace this snow. We live in Canada. So yeah, of course we're gonna get some snow around this time. But I was not prepared. I did not bring my snow boots, which I'm quite upset about. But I have my runners, and I'm just gonna have to do with what I got. Everyone else has their snow boots and is well prepared than I am. But yeah, so we're off to breakfast and we will see you guys there. So we're here at Scoop's restaurant. No, you have yours. So I'm thinking to get this, the classic breakfast. It comes with 2 eggs, with bacon, ham, or Texas sausage. But I'm gonna get the 2 eggs with turkey bacon, home fries, and toast. So I'll be able to split that with my daughter. My son is gonna get their pancakes. So it comes with 2 pancakes with bacon, or home fries. So he's just gonna get pancakes and bacon. And I think that's what I'm gonna get. I just got like an orange juice.
Where did you see that? Yeah, drink some water. Do you drink any water today? What are you getting? This is your straw, no? Or you need another one?
No, you don't like it. So we got here at the restaurant, Scoops. We found it online. In our hotel, the IHOP is currently shut down. So we came outside to Scoops, and the drive wasn't too bad. It was about like 13 minutes from our hotel, and the roads weren't as bad. I wasn't driving. How do you think the roads were? Yeah, so the roads were good, even though the aesthetics looks like it's crazy. The roads were not that bad. Also, what was I gonna say? The thought came and went real fast.
You said your face is so oily.
Yeah, I did say I feel like my face is so oily right now. But I did put like a moisturizer on my face this morning. So, like before we left. Yeah, I guess it's the glow. But I need to get a microdermabrasion done.
I think it's from the glow when we did baseball.
Yeah.
There's the baby. See the baby?
Say hi. Say hi.
So you got this bowl of fruit. We already started eating that. This is their large.
Smell it. It's good.
Wait.
Here, take it. Here, take the fork. Is she still eating that piece of pineapple?
It's almost done. Those apples are really good.
It's called a fresh fruit bowl, so hopefully you'd hope that the fruits are at least fresh, right? You don't want the pineapple?
I'm gonna give it to her. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sounds. Was it sour?
So this is Ezekiah's. He got the bacon and the pancake.
Daddy, so
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I'm trying to think of what. Fluffies. Some fluffies.
looks like a bird wing. Maybe a bird wing. And now you put it that way.
Yeah, that's how I cut it.
Clearly. You're gonna get it.
Crumbs.
I know.
Wow, they're gone.
I know. So I got here, we got the eggs, the turkey bacon, and the home fries and the toast. Yeah, I know you're hungry. Thank you.
Okay, with the cheese. Well,
Appreciate it.
okay. I will check on you. Okay, make sure you're doing okay. Does anybody want hot sauce?
No thank you. But could you, just so we get some more.
This can go?
Why not? Can I get some hot sauce, please?
Sure.
Thank you very much. So this is his. We got the eggs, the home fries, the toast. We got a French toast. There's pancakes here. Kalea's. She got her eggs, her toast, her home fries, and her bacon. And then mine. Home fries are like a sour taste.
You say they have a sour taste? A sour taste?
Yeah. Is it just me? Do you want black pepper?
Yes.
Thanks. Thank you. Yeah?
This is a big man one.
There's a little man one?
No, the big head one because would it have this? Because this is a slider.
Okay, yeah, black pepper. Yeah, I used to have a slider, but it's broken.
I said that.
Yeah, that's I'm agreeing with you.
In here.
Until you're done. As soon as you're done, we're leaving. So hurry up. If you want
We
to go fast.
paying?
Yeah, obviously.
I thought you just walk out food.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Only life was like that. You just go out, eat, and you walk out.
Just walk out.
How's the hot sauce?
How's everybody doing? You're all doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you.
What kind of recipe is in this these hash browns? You know? You know the recipe for the hash browns?
It's like it's aromatic spice. It's just like home cut potatoes.
Like aromatic spice?
Yeah, it's just an aromatic, like one of those, you know, they sell them like aromatic spices and
I
stuff.
never heard of that.
Yeah. It's so good, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
I know, right?
Thanks.
Your baker's still good.
These are so dry. Yeah, cookie for the hot sauce on it? Hot sauce saves it.
Yeah, the hot sauce is good on it. I don't know. It's really sounds good for the sour.
Yeah, oh.
Mom is spicy.
The hot sauce?
It's Louisiana hot sauce.
Oh,
We used to have it at when I used to work at the retirement home.
mm-hmm.
I actually have a little bit of a Louisiana in my fridge, like a small little bowl. Are you all done?
In the fridge?
Striking ball. We're gonna go to the striking game zone. And then the Ferris wheel later, but I want to go to the Ferris wheel at nighttime because the Niagara Falls is lit up. So we're here at Bowl Lane. Hezekiah's turn. Wait, be careful of your hand. Be careful with your hand. It will come up hard.
actually pretty good at bowl aid. Well, I think I'm good at bowl aid, but I don't know what's going on right now. Yeah, I feel like I'm good at bowl aid, but right now I'm not. Right now I'm doing so bad. I know, not today. It's not my luck. You're winning right now.
Mom, it says anything that says like Oh, it's on the road. It's on the back.
I got something. I got something, you guys. I got something. Look at that. From 0 to 4, I'm gonna beat him. He has 6. Oh, geez. What is that, a spare? Geez, it's actually nice smoky. Let's go, Kaya. Yeah!
So we're just finishing up here at the bowling, and then we're about to go to the keg to eat some dinner. So I'm gonna see you guys at the keg. But these are the scores. These are what the scores are looking like. These are the finishing scores right here. I came second place, but it is what it is. We're here at the keg. Come on! Come. Come on. Whew. So we're here at the keg, just eating. We just came. So we have like carrots, celery, and oranges for the kitties. And then we just got some bread, so we're about to eat that right now. So here's mine. It's mashed potatoes, steak, shrimp and veg, Kalea's,
Hey yo,
Ezekiah's,
do you want these toppings on top of your burger?
and that's his,
Yeah. You want the tomato and the lettuce?
lobster tail, steak, and mashed potatoes and veg. So Kalea's tired, but she still wants to eat. So I'm gonna feed her, and then I'm gonna eat my food. So I'm most likely gonna eat my food cold, but it is what it is. That's what you do when you're a mom. You always eat your food cold. Always eating our food cold as moms. Yeah.
Like, just like me.
If you like your food cold.
Very cold.
I need a spoon for her though.
Put it on top. No. Close your burger.
Potatoes. Potatoes need a little pepper and salt.
No, it's your burger. Yeah, both of them. Please not gonna eat the burger. I thought she was.
No, this one's
You have to hold it with your hand. You're not gonna eat it with a fork, right?
I don't want the tomato one.
So we already put the tomato on it. I asked if you want this. You said yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
You put it open. It's okay.
No, because it's super full.
Right.
If you see her come back this way, you ask her for a spoon.
Excuse me. Would I be able to trouble you for a spoon?
A spoon and a
Yeah, thank you.
Almost looks like Anthony Honda.
Yeah.
So I got myself, so we finished dinner, while eating dinner, I got myself some creme brulee. So good.
No, Clay have 2 eggs, and I have 1 egg, and then I have 2 E's. And you and my mom, my sister have 1 piece.
I got 2 easy.
Oh, and why my mom and my sister have 1 piece?
Oh no, your mom has 1 A.
Huh?
Your mom has 1 A.
But Clay have 2 A's, and I have 2 E's, and you have 2 E's.
Skywheel, it is snowing like crazy. But we gotta go on got it. And we're giving you guys the views from the top.
What the hell?
Yeah, that's my drink.
It looked like some of it came out. You can't even see anything because of all the snow.
You guys are far.
It's snowing like crazy, and we up
You
here.
guys want to do this and it's snowing like crazy.
Hey guys, it's
Look, I'm actually
snowstorm.
nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Really?
I'm so nervous.
I'm so nervous too. I did this before, but like,
Not in a snowstorm.
yeah.
You guys can see a bit, but it's just snowing. So it's not so clear. Over here you can't see nothing, like.
You can't even go in the volcano.
You can see some of the Christmas lights. But it's snowing like crazy, so you can't really see much. The wind is wild.
Wild.
This is what we can see from over here, this side. This is over here.
Wild.
It's white out. All we see is white right now. They just need to let us out ASAP. Like, come on. So this is his second jackpot. I wish I was recording, but he now won 2 jackpots in a row. 21. Wow. Hezekiah is gonna be getting a big prize today. This game right here, you guys, is so addictive. 280 is a jackpot. 281 is a jackpot. Look at all these tickets that Hezekiah got. You got a big prize. You have to make sure the ball goes in the bench. I'm so sorry guys, but my camera had died. But stay tuned. I will show you guys some more light displays in future videos. So this is the end. Bye.